Over the next 6 months, I'm travelling through 25 different countries on my way from the UK to Australia. Today is day 48 and I'm travelling to Hunza Valley in northern Pakistan. Good morning, YouTube. We are currently in Skardu Valley, which you can see behind me. Today we are travelling to the next destination, which is Hunza Valley. Hunza Valley is an 8 to 9 hour drive. So basically there's not going to be that much to vlog today. So basically what today is going to be is just going to be, I'm just going to show you all the views on the way from here to there. So there's going to be just a lot of footage like this, a lot of me hanging my camera out of a window if I see something nice to have a look at. So this episode will literally probably be about 15 minutes of just music. I'll put music over the views, over the panning, so it doesn't get that boring, hopefully. And then in 9 hours time we will arrive at Hunza Valley. There is some stops along the way which I'll show you and talk you through, like this one, but for the rest of the time it will just be music and views. So yeah, if you like some scenery and music, then this episode will be for you. for a minute. Obviously there's been a lot of just panning, but this one is the best one. Look at this. This is absolutely insane. Like, seeing peaks at 8,000 meters plus is absolutely wild. Look at this. And we have made it to our hotel room in Hunza Valley. If you're still with me on this video after all the shots of the valleys, then thank you very much for watching this far. I hope you've enjoyed the music and the scenery. I actually couldn't believe my eyes. Some of that stuff I've seen today has been absolutely mind-blowing. Like, I cannot believe what I've been seeing. But this is the hotel room. Looks lovely. That bed looks lovely. It's warm. The last hotel was cold, so I had to like proper wrap up. I had to sleep in a t-shirt and on the first night a hoodie, but this is nice and warm. The bed looks good. It looks nice and comfortable. Toilet. This is about £5 a night as well. So yeah, me and Yushay are going to go have some food after I finished editing the last video. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.